Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be dividing unit fractions by whole numbers and whole numbers by unit fractions. We're going to be using the keep, change, flip method because this will also help students when they move on to the 6th grade next year. So first we're going to start with dividing a whole number by a unit fraction. If we had 5 divided by 1/3, what we're going to do is we're going to put a 1 underneath the whole number. We are going to keep the first number, so 5 over 1. We are going to change the division sign to multiplication sign, and we are going to flip the second number to be 3 over 1. And now we know how to multiply two fractions, so 5 times 3 is 15, and 1 times 1 is 1, which means the answer is 15. What students are going to see next year is they would see a problem similar to that, but it might be 5 divided by 2/3. So they would keep the first number, change the division sign to multiplication sign, and then flip the second number, and then multiply across, so it would be 15 halves, which is 7 1/2. This is more of the 6th grade standard. Now we're going to do a unit fraction divided by a whole number, and we are going to follow the same steps. So we're going to keep the first number, change the division sign to multiplication sign, and we're going to stick a 1 underneath the whole number and flip the second number to be 1 over 6. Then we multiply across and we have 1 over 24. In 6th grade, they may see a problem that would have been like 3/4 divided by 6. So we would keep the first number, change the division sign to multiplication sign, flip the second number, multiply across and get 3/24 to simplify to 1/8. Something else they would see in 6th grade would be division of two fractions. So it would be 2/3 divided by 3/4. Same thing, keep the first number the same, change division sign to a multiplication sign, and flip the second number to be 4/3. Multiply across and get 8/9. So that's how we do division of whole numbers and fractions, as well as dividing fractions by whole numbers, and even a little bit of fractions by fractions. If you have any questions or comments, please put them below. Thank you.